friends, welcome to a new video. I am on my way to Target because I know that Valentine's Day is just around the corner and our house looks pretty naked right now since we've taken down all of our Christmas decorations. So I'm kind of itching to get some seasonal decor back up, and I love decorating for Valentine's Day. I did this for the first time last year because I am the only female in my house. I have 4 boys and a husband. This is the only time of the year where I get to decorate with a little pink. So I'm really excited to see what is new in the Target dollar spot section for Valentine's Day this year. And you know, I wanted to bring you guys along with me, but make sure you stay tuned till the end because when I get back from the store, we're gonna have some cleaning and decorating to do. This wreath is so adorable. It says XO and it's only $5. Oh my god, I love this banner. This banner is so cute. I love Target seasonal kitchen towels. I am a sucker for a sign. I love signs. I love these. I'm not gonna get them. I'm not gonna get them. I'm not gonna get them. Oh, they're so cute. I see these risers all the time and never know what to do with them. If you guys have any ideas for me, drop them in the comments below. Isn't this adorable? A heart-shaped charcuterie board. I don't remember seeing this last year. Okay, so this has nothing to do with Valentine's Day, but look at this. $5 in the Target dollar spot section. For all things organization, this would be perfect for hanging up in your laundry room. There's also one back there. Had to get me a cup of Starbucks. Of course, you cannot go inside of Target and not walk out with a cup of Starbucks. The Target dollar spot section had a lot of cute Valentine's Day stuff. Of course, I'm not surprised, but I ended up spending under $20 with the few things that I got. So I will show you guys what's in my Target bag when I get home so we can do some cleaning and decorating.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
So I'm back at home now. I wanted to show you everything that I ended up buying in the Target dollar spot section. I may end up returning this banner though because I don't have a plan right now for where I'm going to put it up.
I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you were saying I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? It's been chaos from the start. Can't believe I made it this far. Guess I needed it to see who you really are. Breaker of hearts, yeah. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. 'Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. 'Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? Yeah, I will never smile for you. Yeah.
speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 20s.
So while I was in the kitchen cleaning, the boys had some cleaning up to do too before they could play outside. My Otis, he swept the floors for me, and thank goodness, because now all I have to do is mop.
I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. That something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today while I did some home decor shopping, cleaning, and decorating for Valentine's Day. I really hope you enjoyed this video and the simple touches I added in our kitchen. I didn't end up using everything I got from Target, so I will definitely be making some returns. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're not, and I will see you in my next video.